Savings Boost 3 Passive Income Apps for 2025. Imagine waking up to an extra $10, $20, or even $50 in your PayPal. You didn't work a full time job. You just used your phone and a few simple apps that pay real money. Sounds fake? It's not. I'm breaking down 3 passive income apps that are working right now in the USA updated for 2025. And these aren't scammy apps. They've paid out millions of dollars to real users across the country. If you want extra income without quitting your job or school, this video could literally change your money game. Let's go! First up is InboxDollars, and yes, the name says it all. This app pays you to do everyday things you already do, like watching short videos, reading emails, playing mobile games, and answering surveys. It's available only in the USA, and new users get a $5 sign-up bonus. You can easily make $5 to $15 a day by spending just 30 to 45 minutes. The app pays through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or even direct deposit. Some users have earned over $1,000 plus just by using this app passively in their free time. Think of it as turning your Netflix time into cash. Number 2 is my personal favorite, usertesting.com. Companies want feedback on their websites and apps. You give that feedback by speaking out loud and sharing your screen. Each test is around 15 to 20 minutes, and they pay $10 per test instantly through PayPal every 7 days. That means 3 tests a day equals $30/day, $900 per month if you're consistent. You don't need to be tech savvy. Just talk clearly and follow simple instructions. Even students, freelancers, and stay-at-home parents in the USA are making real money from this. Trust me, this one is seriously underrated. Before we go to the third,